weird.
Stay right out here.
Mr. Donix, the laser guns are done and ready for production.
Good, good. You know, I've been thinking. I think that we need to figure out a more outside-the-box way to make money, besides just lasers.
What did you have in mind?
How should I know? Aren't you supposed to be the technical genius? All I know is that it needs to be a super weapon.
I'll see what I can do. I will get right on that, sir.
Give me your money.
Saw what you did there. You're no ordinary dog. I can teach you how to harness your powers.
I have powers too. I learned to control them.
How do I know I can trust you? And where do you get your powers? And do you fight any supervillains? Or if you're a hero? Or do you just use your powers to heat up your food? Or something like that? Or...
I'll tell you everything soon. Let's go on a walk.
Lead the way. I love walks. They're like my favorite thing.
Well, that's my story.
Wow, that's amazing. I got like half of what you said.
Well, this is it. My home. My secret base.
So cool.
Yep, this is my secret hideout. You'll be living here for the duration of your training.
Wait, what about my owner? They don't know that I'm gone.
I don't know. I guess you'll just have to be a missing dog for a while.
Okay, if it means I'll save people and put bad guys in jail, then I'm in.
Yep, there will be a lot of bad guys in jail, a lot of people saved, and maybe even a few supervillains. Well, you're learning fast.
Yep. Now, do you think I'm ready to fight a supervillain?
No. Not yet. We'll go after some smaller criminals first. I have evidence that a gang called the Crocs is going to rob the bank this afternoon.
Oh. Okay. I think we should start with that. But after, supervillains, here I come.
I made you a super suit. I know it's a lot I'm asking of you.
Yes, yes,
Okay, try it on.
Money.
Okay, just don't shoot.
Yeah, give us the money already.
Inferno, I failed.
I should have started off with something easier. How about you go for a walk? That'll cheer you up. Yes, Jelly, this dog is very powerful. He could be a super weapon. We have no way to truly know for sure, but it sure seems like it. Okay, sounds good. Sorry, Oreo. It had to be done for you to truly see your power. Please forgive me. Ah!
Where am I? Santa, is that you?
My name is Dr. Donix. Be close enough. What is your name? Trying to escape? You'll find that rather difficult. How long until the machine is ready?
30 minutes, sir.
Very well then, dog. Enjoy your last 30 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Down this hallway, to the left. Take the stairs down. There should be an exit.
No, but I have to save you. Dr. D will kill you if he finds out what you've done.
Go, I'll be fine.
Thank you.
You've changed, Dr. Donix.
Good job, kid.
What happened?
They were building super weapons for supervillains. They were going to use your power. You just had to know your own strength.
Thank you.
Where have you been? Good evening, viewers. The explosion at Donnink's laboratory yesterday is still under investigation. What we do know is that a super dog is being held credited with uncovering a criminal plot taking place within the labs. In other news, a supervillain known by the name Viper broke out of prison last night while 2 henchmen were being booked for kidnapping. Stay tuned for more news on the hour, every hour. One step in. No, Oreo! Oreo, come here! Come here, Oreo! Oreo!
In my role, apparently.
Dad has to get really buff. Actually, I have a beard. This is drawn on.
Intense, but Oreo was a great co-actor. He really made me feel safe.